16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5. How do we solve this math problem? So let's provide a solution from here. Now we have 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5. We can express 16 to the power of 6 as 16 to the power of 5 plus 1 minus 16 to the power of 5. 16 to the power of 5 plus 1, this is in the form of a to the power of n plus m, which we can express as a to the power of n times a to the power of m. Applying this identity, then we have 16 raised to the power of 5 multiplying by 16. This is raised to the power of 1 minus 16 raised to the power of 5. Now, if you check here, 16 to the power of 5 is common here. So we can factor out 16 to the power of 5 into the parentheses. This is 16 minus 1. And therefore, here we have 16 to the power of 5 multiplying by 16 minus 1, which is 15. Now, we can express 16. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4. So here we have 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 5 multiplying by 15. Now, 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 5. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m, which we can express as a to the power of n times m. Applying this identity, we have this as 2 to the power of 4 times 5, which is 20, multiplying by 15. We can express 2 to the power of 20. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 10 raised to the power of 2 times 15. Now, this implies that 2 to the power of 10, this is the same thing as 10 24. So this means that we have 10 24 multiplying by 10 24, everything here, multiplying by 15. We can express 10 24. This is the same thing as 1000 plus 24 multiplying by 1000 plus 24, close the parenthesis, everything here, multiplying by 15. Now, let's make 1000 plus 24, this one to be the subject of the formula, so that we have 1000 multiplying by 1000 plus 24, then plus 24, multiplying by 1000 plus 24, close the parenthesis, everything here, multiplying by 15. So now, here we have 1000 times 1000, this is 1 million, then plus 1000 times 24, this is 24,000, then plus 24 times 1000, this is again 24,000, then plus 24 times 24, this is equal to 576, close the parenthesis, everything here, multiplying by 15. Now this implies we have 1 million plus 24,000 plus 24,000. This is 48,000. Then plus 576. Everything here multiplying by 15. So this is 1 million. Then plus we have 48,000. So this is 48,000. Then plus 576. So this means that here we have 6, 7, 5. Then 0 plus 8, this is 8. 0 plus 4, this is 4. 0, this becomes 0. And then we have 1 here. Now, this means we have 1,048,000 576, everything here multiplied by 15. We can express 15 as 10 plus 5. So this means that 1048, 576 times 10, this is equal to, now this becomes 048, this is 576 times 10, then plus, we have 1048, 576 multiplied by 5. Now, this is the same thing as 10 million. We have 10 million 485,000 760, then plus, this is, now let's multiply this, 576, that is 576 times 5. So we have 576 times 5. So let's multiply by 5a. So we have 6 times 5, this is 30. So 0 carry 3, 7 times 5, this is 35, plus 3, this is 38. So 8 carry 3 again. 5 times 5, this is 25, plus 3, this is 28. So 8 carry 2. 8 times 5, this is 40, plus 2, this is 42. So we have 2 carry 4. 4 times 5, this is 20, plus 4, this is 24. Carry 2, then 0 times 5, this is 0, plus 2, this is 2. Then 1 times 5, this is equal to 5. So this is 5,242,880. So this means we have 10,485,760, then plus 5,242,880. So here we have 10,485,760, then plus 5,242,000, then we have 880. So let's sum this. So 0 plus 0, this is 0. 6 plus 8, this is 14. Carry 1 here. So this is 8 plus 8, which is 16. Carry 1 here. Then 5 plus 2, this is 7, plus 1, this is 8. Then 8 plus 4, this is 12. 2 carry 1. Then 4 plus 2, this is 6, plus 1, this is 7. Then 0 plus 5, this is 5. Then we have 1. So this is 15,728,000, then 640. And this is the solution to this math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.